Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 319 game integrity error. Okay, let's start the video. Whenever you try to play a game on Roblox, this problem appears on your screen. So without further delay, let's get started and fix this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow me step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Roblox apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Roblox apps. Now tap on Roblox apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Roblox apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Roblox apps. Now tap on Roblox apps. Now tap on update. Please wait a moment and it will update automatically. It's update now and tap on play. Now play any one of these games. Now tap on play. This way you will be able to play any game. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.